Hey, it's Jimmy I. Today we're gonna learn Talk by Khalid. Now there's a few different ways that you can play this, ranging in different skill levels, but for today we're gonna stick with a really basic way of playing it, using only 3 chords, a C, a G, and an F. As you get comfortable, you can kind of play around by starting to pick, but for this we're gonna stick to a really simple strumming pattern. So let's get started. Starting off is everyone's favorite chord, a C. Using either your index finger or your ring finger, you're gonna go to the 3rd fret and the 4th string. For the second chord is going to be a G. Using your index finger, you're going to go to the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Using your middle finger, the 2nd fret, 4th string. And your ring finger, the 3rd fret, 3rd string. And the third chord is going to be F. What that is with your index finger, it's going to be on the 1st fret, 3rd string. Your middle finger on the 2nd fret and 1st string. So all together we have a C, a G, and an F. All right, now for the timing and the strum pattern, I'm just gonna play it real quick just to show you how it goes. So what you're gonna do is down on a C, down on a G, down on an F, chuck down, up, down. Go to a G, down on a G, down again, and down on a C. Then you're gonna chuck again. I'm using my fingers to barely cover the rest of the strings. So one more time, slow. A little bit faster.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me out first. Can't keep we moving on. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want.
So that's pretty much it for this song. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any recommendations for a song you'd like me to make a tutorial about, just make sure to drop it in the comments and I'll make sure to check it out. I'll see y'all next time.